नमस्कार सभी को, वेलकम बैक टू आवर 14th डे ऑफ लाइव yoga lessons, and it's all going good. Every day we are learning some new things, new asanas, pranayamas, and we have learned few meditation techniques as well. So today we will continue in learning the vinyasa flows. We have already learned one vinyasa flow, that is called vinyasa A Surya Namaskara. Now we will learn vinyasa B Surya Namaskara today. So before we go to vinyasa B Surya Namaskar, we will just do all the joint rotations so that our body is a bit warm up. So let's start with the neck movement. I am sitting in Vajrasana, but you can do it even sitting in the Sukhasana as well. When there are some exercises in that we cannot do in the Vajrasana, but till the time we are doing upper body rotations, we can sit in we can sit in Vajrasana. And if you have, let's say someday there is some you have just eaten something, so if you will if you will sit for Sukhasana in 10 minutes, at least that food will be digested. Anyways, I am strictly saying that if you have taken any food, don't do any yogasana. But as sometimes as a yoga teacher, even if we have to teach something and that time we have eaten just maybe 20 minutes back we have eaten something, so this situation arises sometimes. But we should always do yoga practices or any exercise empty stomach, and we can take some liquid things like milk or some juice if we are feeling very hungry and if we don't have that much strength to do our practice. So let's start quickly. Breathe in up, breathe out, down. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now sideways, twist, breathe out, breathe in center, breathe out, twisting. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After 10, just stop. Now bending ear to the shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now rotation of the neck. Breathe in half, breathe out other half. 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite. 1. Breathe in, breathe out continuously. 3, 4, 5 and relax. Shoulder rotation quickly. Hands, take them up and put your palms behind your shoulders, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take your elbows complete up and make a bigger circle. Yes. 7, 8, 9 and 10. Very good. You will get a nice massage in your shoulders. Very good. All the shoulder joints. Let's quickly move our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now thumb inside, close your face. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Opposite 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Wonderful. Now let's move our hands up and down for a few times. Breathe in up, breathe out down. 2, 3, 4, 5. Join hands while up. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Very good. Now close your fist and up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Very good. Let's now stand on the mat and do some waist movement. Rotate your waist. 1, 2, 3. Wonderful. Keep the motion in a big circular way. Very good. Continue. 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Very good. Now after the waist rotation, let's move the legs also. So we will keep our hands on the knees and we will rotate the knee joint. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. In every rotation, take half, breathe in, breathe out. So, opposite, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. सांस लेते रहें, don't stop the breath. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So all these joint rotations, we don't have to hold our breath for some time. We should take the normal breathing. We don't have to disturb the breathing process. Continuously, as you are moving the joints, you should keep on feeling that in that joint also you are breathing. So your prana shakti will reach to that joint and it will help you in maintaining the good health in that joint. Let's move the ankle joint also little bit up, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rotation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Other change the leg up and down first. Maintain the balance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rotation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Opposite 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. So we are done with the full body joint rotation. Let's do little bit stretching before we do Vinyasa Bhi Surya Namaskara. So we will do stretching. So every day we are doing some stretching. So let's do side stretching. Breathe in, breathe out. Continuously. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Very good. Let's that forward stretching as well. Hands completely up and go little backward while breathing in. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. If you have back pain, severe back pain, then don't bend forward too much. Only go till half and stretch from here. Otherwise, if you don't have back pain, you can go all the way down. Breathe in and breathe out. 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 Very good. Now let's do some twisting movement. So keep your hand like this on your shoulder and breathe in and breathe out, twist. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Very good. Relax for few seconds. Deep breathe in and breathe out continuously. Breathe in from nose, breathe out from mouth. Breathe in from nose, breathe out from mouth. Breathe in from nose, breathe out from mouth. Very good. So this will relax whatever excess heat is there. We are completely exhaling it and then we will move to the next. So now we are almost done with the warm up. The final warm up which we are doing is jumping jacks. So how to do this? Breathe in, breathe out. This one. Okay. We all used to do it when we were kids in the school. The PT teacher, he used to teach this. But this is a wonderful warm up exercise and an excellent cardiovascular exercise as well. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Wonderful. And when we used to get, what we used to do? We used to go like this, front, and we used to kick the person who was in front. So, as a kid, we all were very naughty. So sometimes we should remember that as well while doing this. Here. So wonderful exercise. Breathe in and breathe out deeply for few times, and then we will move now to the Vinyasa B Surya Namaskar. That is the main focus of the today. Let's, before moving, sit for few seconds. Continue your deep breath in and breathe out. Sit in Vajrasana, and after this, what we will do? Just take few breaths in and breathe out completely down and exhale from mouth. Okay? Breathe in, exhale from mouth completely down. Hope you are able to see me. Otherwise, I will go little backward. 2 more times. Exhale completely. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. And relax. We are relaxed now. So we will start the Vinyasa B Surya Namaskar. Before that, let me do little adjustment if required. I'll just remove this mat so that you can get a better view. So this is a 18 step namaskara. Let me adjust the camera angle a little bit. Hope you are able to see it clearly. So while we are starting, we have to first make sure that we are standing in front of the mat. Okay, from front of the mat we have to start this practice. So from when we will start from 1, I will demonstrate all the 18 steps and what is the breathe in and breathe out process for that, and like that we will start. So breathe in 1, breathe out 2, then alternative 3, Uttanasana. From here you have to bend your knee a little bit and go one by one at a time, or both the legs jump, that is your choice, and come to Dandasana. Breathe out. Same like Vinyasa A. From here slide forward completely up, Bhujangasana, or better to say Urdhva Shwan Asana. 5. Breathe out, Adho Shwan Asana. From Adho Shwan Asana, 7 we have to come in. We have to come directly in Veerbhadrasana 1. So here and then this. This is bit difficult if you are not able to come directly, but we have to come into this and the thigh should be parallel to the ground. We will see all this motion from the side angle also once. As of now, just learn from the front angle. Okay, this is 7. Then again 8. Again Dandasana. 8 is Dandasana or Chaturanga Dandasana. 4 limb posture. Then Urdhva Shvanasana, breathe in. Again Adho Shvanasana. So this is 10. 11. Left leg. And you have to come in Veerbhadrasana. 12 Chaturangasana. 13 Urdhva Shvanasana. 14 Adho Shvanasana. From here jump forward. 15 Uttanasana. 16 Padahastasana. 17 Utkatasana, chair posture. 18. So this is 18 process Surya Namaskar. A excellent workout. If you can do 5 Vinyasa B Surya Namaskar, your whole body will be excellently open up and you will be feeling that energy which will generate because of this Surya Namaskar. Let me show you now. The space is little bit less, but I will try to show from the side angle. Okay, from the side angle. Just adjust little bit. If you are not able to see some, I am trying my best to give you the best visibility. Let's start. 1, breathe in, chair posture. Okay, chair posture. 2, breathe out, Padahastasana. In Padahastasana, you have to bring your hands near your feet and your forehead toward your knees. Then breathe in Uttanasana. Breathe in and Uttanasana. From here, jump backwards. Bend your knee and jump backward. Chaturanga Dandasana. Breathe out. This is Chaturanga Dandasana. You are not putting your chest on the ground. From here, slide forward. 5. Breathe in. Urdhva Shwan Asana. Breathe out. Adho Mukha Svanasana. 6, 7. You have to come in Veerbhadrasana. Very good. This is a bit challenging, but this is the beauty of this Veerbhadrasana. Vinyasa bhi Surya Namaskar. 8. Breathe out. Chaturanga Dandasana. 9. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Now in Adho Mukha Svanasana we have to take 5 breaths. Stay here and take 5 breaths. Feel the pressure on your legs. Try to bring your heels onto the ground. Take small step forward and bring your heels onto the ground. Very good. From here you have to jump forward. So sorry, we have not done left side. So again from here we have to do left side. That is 11. Come to left leg Veerbhadrasana. Okay? Breathe out. Chaturanga Dandasana. 13. 14. Adho Mukha. From here jump and come forward. 15. 16. 15 is this. 16. 17, Utkatasana from where we started, and 18. So I hope I am able to give you a good view. Let's now do in flow 1 to 18 steps and follow me. This again I will be doing from the same angle so that you can follow along with me. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Chest little open and stretch upside. Thigh parallel. 8, 9, 10. Left leg Veerbhadrasana. 11, 12, Chaturanga Dandasana. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. See, I am explaining and doing, so double energy is there. I have to put the double energy and lot of sweat is coming. This is excellent. We are doing 18 asana in a single flow. So you can imagine how much strength it is taking. Let's do few more rounds and then we will relax. So we will do 2 more rounds. We have done total 3 rounds already. So 5 rounds if you can do in continuation, and if you can take the breathe in and breathe out correctly, lot of benefits will come. Let's start. So 1, 2, 3. Now jump. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Very good. So we are done with the 4 sets. Let's complete the 5th and the last one. After that we will do Shavasana, we will do relaxation. After every yoga session or whatever workout you are doing, if you are missing the relaxation at the end, in yoga we call it Shavasana, then you are only taking half the benefit. Never skip relaxation or cooling down at the end of your workout routine. Let's continue with full energy. Breathe in, breathe out, 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 breathe in, breathe out. So actually in this speed we have to do when we are well aware of all the 18 steps. So I have explained each step with breathe in, breathe out, each step with the posture name. What I will do along with this video in the description also. Once I will try to put this description, each asana name and the breathe in and breathe out. Very good. So I think hope everyone has just loved this. This is a long flow. That's why it takes lot of energy. Now let's lie down and relax ourselves for a few seconds, and then we will close the today's session. Today it's bit smaller session. I have lot of other engagement because of weekend is there. So let's lie down and relax ourselves. This is called Shavasana in yoga. Very good. Lie down on your back, feet apart, your toes lying down outside, outwards, palms facing the ceiling, your nose pointing to the ceiling, complete body weight on the mat. Don't hold tension in any part of the body. Breathe in deeply and breathe out. Let's quickly relax each part of the body, starting from the head. If you are wearing specs like me, then remove your specs as well. If you are having excess sweating before lying down, just remove the excess sweat with any towel. Lie down comfortably and bring your attention to your forehead. Breathe in and breathe out. Relax all the muscles around the head and the facial muscles. Breathe in through your chest region and relax. Breathe in through your stomach region and relax completely. Through both the hands, breathe in and breathe out, relax. Your hip region, waist and your back, breathe in, relax. From your spine, bottom to top, breathe in through your spine. Relax each vertebra in your spine. Both the legs, thighs, knee, ankle, feet. Breathe in through them and relax completely. Through your whole body once. Breathe in deep. Breathe out. Relax completely. Breathe in and breathe out. Take 3 deep breaths and remove every kind of tiredness. Bring positivity, relaxation, happiness with each breath which is going in. Remove all the anxiety, the stress with each outgoing breath. Wonderful. Slowly take support of your hand and sit on your mat. Keep your eyes closed. Let's chant the closing prayer. Joining both the hands. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। नमस्कार एक बार फिर सभी को। हैव अ ग्रेट डे। Stay safe, stay healthy. Every day include yoga in your practices. Keep yourself busy in doing these wonderful practices. Spend time with your family because this is weekend. You must spend some quality time with your family. And I am very happy that my Guruji today have joined this session. I can't believe this, but by seeing this love from him, I am seeing that now after he has come, I don't know how to quit it, but it's time. I have some other engagements, so I have to join there. Guruji, very thank you. Thanks a lot that you have joined this. I can't believe my eyes, but as you always say, if we do something good, definitely that good will come back to me, and from past 2 days I think it's coming back now. Pranam once again to my loved Guru and to all the Gurus who has taught me something in my life. Namaste, सभी को फिर से. Have a great day.